Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the most used tense in English, the simple present tense. It's a basic tense, sure, and it's often taught early on, but don't let that fool you. Even intermediate learners still make mistakes with it sometimes. If you're one of them, watch this video and speak more accurately and clearly. What is a simple present tense? We use the simple present tense to talk about things that are true in general, happen regularly, or are just facts. It's also used when we talk about schedules or fixed plans, especially things like transportation or timetables. The structure is really simple. For most subjects, you just use the base verb. I play soccer. They work in an office. But for he, she, it, don't forget to add s or es to the verb. She plays soccer. He watches TV every morning. That's where many learners slip up, forgetting the s in third person singular. Let's break it down into a few clear uses. General truths and facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun rises in the east. Habits or routines. I drink coffee every morning. Scheduled events. My class starts at 8. The train leaves at 6 p.m. So even though that's happening in the future, we're using the simple present, not will leave or is going to leave. Why? Because it's a set schedule. It's on the timetable. We're treating it like a fact. Stative verbs. These verbs describe states, not actions, and usually don't take the continuous form. Example, I like the chocolate. She knows the answer. So yeah, that's the simple present. Basic, but super important. It's actually the most used tense in English, and even intermediate learners slip up sometimes. We use it for facts, habits, feelings, and even scheduled events like trains and classes. If you want to practice, I put together a free PDF worksheet. Check it out in the description box. And before you go, here's a question for you. What motivates you to study English, and how do you stay consistent with it? Let me know in the comments using the simple present. See you in the next one.